Hello, my name is Girshan and I made a volcano. So all I used was a jar, and then I used a glass, and then I had a plastic glass. I cut the bottom of it, and then I slide it in the glass, and then I covered it with tin foil, and then I taped it so there's no loose edges. And then so now I'm gonna pour in the baking soda for the volcano. And then I'm going to put in some water. And then I'm going to stir it a little. And then I'm going to put only a little bit of food coloring. And then I put the vinegar in. And that's my volcano. The end.